In this video, I'll show you how to update your NVIDIA drivers using the NVIDIA application. So all you have to do is install the NVIDIA application on your PC, and I've done a video about how to install it, so I'll link it in the description. Once the application has been installed, you can simply launch it either from the desktop or from whatever location you have set it at. And then from here, click on drivers. And then if there's an update available, you should see the information of that particular update appear in this location. Now, if you want to check for any available updates, simply click on this icon next to the up-to-date section, and then it will try check for any new updates. Now, in case an update is available, you should see the download button in this section, and then it will now allow you to download the update. And then once the update has been downloaded, you can simply click on install and follow all the procedure or the steps that might appear to successfully install that particular update. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.